Two times.
Two times.
So you have to write the answers two times. Question only one time. You have to write it compulsorily. And even if you are writing now, you will say yes, sir. But unless you don't send me the photos of what you have done in today's lecture, I won't consider that you have done the work. So please make sure you write it properly. As I say, I'm giving you sufficient enough time, and then at the end you will send me the photos. Finish it off. This is very easy answer. If you even read the poem twice, you will be able to remember it. See, the question I have written number two is, according to the Marog, what reaction would the class have if they knew that they had an alien among them? Question means, what, according to Marog, what Marog says that when if the students will come to know that I'm sitting at the last bench and alien is sitting in between the human beings in the class. So what will be the reaction of the students in the class? This is what the question means. Okay, now the answer is the children would yell and tremble in fear. They would all scream and the teacher would faint if they knew that the Marog was in the class. Once you finish writing answer number one two times, say yes sir and your name so that I'll come to know in how much speed do you write.
Yes, sir. Rasan Gopal Sivar case done. Answer.
Yeah.
Rabbit is not there in the group today.
Sir, Sarfaraz Dasariano.
Oh, yes. That means
Yes,
Seth.
yes, he is
Yes,
there.
Seth is there. Seth does not come daily. Very busy person. Busy playing Free Fire, PUBG, or something like that. I don't remember. So only two people have completed these answers.
Yes, sir, Priyani Shafiq.
Okay. Shafiq, read the first question and the answer if you have completed.
Okay, sir. What kind of alien in the Merog? The
Is
Merog
the
is
Marog.
an Merog. The Merog is an alien from the Mars with a body of brass.
And full stop you have to do in the answers, students. Now, as soon as you finish answer number one, writing two times, say yes sir and your name. Already three students have said yes sir. So that I'll come to know when do I have to erase answer one. Otherwise, if you are writing and if I erase that, your answer will remain incomplete. Is anyone writing answer one or shall I clear that? I do not know because many of them are not speaking.
Sir, clear. Answer first.
Can I erase answer one?
Yes, it
But I do
is.
not know. Many of your friends might be writing. But anyways, those who are not speaking, I will count them absolutely in my lecture. Absent mark.
Sir, do you have an answer
Sir,
first is finished?
Sekran is Sir, Sekran is done.
Okay.
Sir,
Then I'm very good. Okay. Question number three is the alien violent or peaceful? How can you tell that? Violent means the person who fights a lot. Peaceful means the person like me who does not fight. How can you tell that? Now, alien, Marog is violent or peaceful? Answer is The alien sounds quite violent. That means the way alien is describing himself, Marog is describing that I have sharp fingers, I can gobble all the children. So all these things proves that Marog is not peaceful, he is violent. He says that I'm 7 foot tall, but we have only selected two main lines. Here the answer is the alien sounds quite violent as his arms are spiked and he says that he could gobble all the children at a time. So this is how he proves himself that he is not peaceful. He is very much violent. He wants to fight every time. This is what proves here. Now, those who have completed answer number two, writing two times, say yes sir and your name, so that I'll come to know
Yes,
how
sir,
many of you
Biryani
have
Shafiq.
completed.
Yes, sir. Biryani Shafiq.
Sir, I can't write. Hello, sir.
Lakshmi, what happened?
Sir, now today I can't write, sir.
Hmm? Why
Today
so?
I can't write.
I asked you for the reason why you can't.
Sir, because I am in bus and going to Rajkot.
Alone, you did not take me to the Rajkot. And when will you return then? Because throughout your Rajkot voyage, you will not write.
Sir, at the night.
Okay, no issues. I understand. At least try to understand the question and the answer by listening to my explanation.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Hassan.
Yes, sir. Sir, in answer three, the alien sounds quite violent as his. Sir, you write arms.
Yes, ARMS. Arms are spiked. Students, if you are not writing answer two, I will erase that answer. If you are writing it, say, sir, wait for us. What do I do?
Yes, sir. Son, answer two written two the time is complete.
But other students are not answering Tawfiq, then Zaid, Sama Muhammad Zaid, Samira Ghail is Sama Muhammad Zaid, right? Then Mahir, always these students are not answering. So please make sure someday follow-up teachers will call your parents for this reason that your child is not answering and we are counting you absent. Cannot say that we were present.
Sir, down also number 3.
Now list the three sound words that has been used in the poem. Now sound words means what? Can anyone explain me?
Sir,
Sound
Hassan.
words means what? Yes, as expected, Hassan.
Yes, sir. I know what is it. That
Yes,
brass
Nakvi.
and grass and
Yes, yes, Nakvi. What is sound words?
Sir, a poem word means like only rhyming words only, but the last two words become this grass and grass. See, two words has become.
No, no, you are not even near to the answer. Sorry to say that, but you tried very well, I must say. Hassan,
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Sound.
sir means sound word? No, sir is not the sound
Oh,
word.
no, sir.
Then what is sound word? See, when I say, see, don't laugh. When I say meow, meow is the sound of which animal?
Cat.
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 Okay, that means meow is the sound word. Why? Because it shows the sound of something, right? So sound words means like that. In the poem, which three sound words are used? So here is the answer. See, shrike means you know that a loud scream. Again, scream is the second type of sound. Then smack when someone falls down. Chishum. It is a sound word. So these three are the sound words. Please write this and say yes sir in your name. As soon as you complete both the answers two times, say yes sir and your name and then mute your mic.
Yes, sir, Priyan and Shafiq.
Shafiq, you even completed answer number four two times.
Yes, yes, sir.
Wow. 5G speed.
Sir,
Yes,
you find question 6. What is the mood of the alien?
obviously. I already have it. And I already have taught it in the previous year. So obviously I know the answer. How many of you are still writing?
Yes, sir, Hassan.
Sir,
Okay,
done. The study of Muhammad Saif.
okay, okay, okay.
Yes, sir, Hassan Kapasi work is done.
Great. I think after this poem, one interesting, very interesting, joyful lecture is, sorry, lesson is there. Hassan, what
Yes, sir.
exactly is the time?
9:13.
1:13.
Yes, 9:13. Yes, sir, chapter 12 is so interesting.
And that I would like to show you in the projector. Let's see whether can I arrange the projector or not at that time because I need to even show you the pictures when I'm explaining this.
Sir, Khair Muhammad Saif, his work is done.
Okay. Okay, question is, why does the Marog repeats the words nobody knows in the poem? So many a times you might have seen nobody knows, but nobody knows. This is repeated. So why so? Answer is here. Now here, answer is nobody knows is repeated in the poem to emphasize to the fact that Marok finds it amusing. That means Marok finds it interesting. He finds it joyful that though he is 7 foot tall, he is so much scary in the look, but nobody will be able to see him unless he wants them to see that. So he says that Marok finds it amusing that nobody knows that he is in the class. This is what the answer means. Please write it down. You can
Excuse
zoom
me,
in
sir.
and zoom out. Yes, Hassan.
Sir, repeated in the poem, the emphasize. Sir, what is the meaning that emphasize? Emphasize.
Okay. Now here, meaning of the word emphasize is on that if you want to highlight or if you want to keep an eye on something. Now you see, nobody knows is repeated. Why? Because poet wants to emphasize. Poet wants to highlight the fact that Marog is feeling very happy that nobody is able to see him. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you, sir.
Don't mention it.
Silent Biryani Shafiq. The Sadia Muhammad
Great.
Saif, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir,
Steph,
Hassan Kapasi.
what is little doing?
What, sir?
What is little doing? Where's Jam? Studying.
Yes.
Great. People, we hope that your school reopens from the March. Tentatively, government has said that from the 1st March, 5th to 8th will be there. So just pray that this happens. So that
Sir,
I will keep my. Yes, yes, sir. What are you speaking?
how much summer vacations?
No, this time, see, whatever I'm speaking is tentative, not decided. But this time, no summer vacation. Only for the 8 or 10 days it will be there. For you and for us also. Actually, for us, because you people are home since 1 year. We are coming to school daily. So, it is supposed that exam will be postponed and you people will not get the vacation for a long time. But you are already having vacation since 1 year. Yes or no? You are sitting at home.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So do you all again want to
Yes,
come
sir.
to school or not?
Yes, sir. We come to school.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Seth is having some doubt. He said yes, sir. So he wants to come. He doesn't want to come. He doesn't.
Sir, I think he don't wants to come.
No, no, he will come.
Yes.
Say him that stay home, stay safe.
Can I clear number 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Rasan Kapasi work is done.
great. And the last question for this lesson. Hassan's favorite question.
Yes.
Hassan wants to know that what is the mood of the alien. Now here the question is, what is the mood of the alien? The answer is, the alien felt very happy. Why? Because he was thinking that the fear he would cause if everyone knows that he was in the classroom. So he was very happy. He was again and again thinking that if the students will come to know, if the teacher will come to know that alien is sitting in the classroom, they are really going to scream and shout. So he was very happy thinking for that thing, what will happen if the students will come to know that alien is there. Please write it.
Sir, don't pray and Shafiq.
Shafiq, you have a magic stick, magical pencil or what?
No, sir.
Then give it to me. Shafiq, let us read answer number 5.
Okay, sir. Nobody knows is repeated in the poem. What, sir?
To emphasize
To emphasize to the fact that Mer- Merog
Marog,
Merog finds it a-
amusing.
amusing that nobody knows that he is in class.
Very good. Okay, not Shafiq, not Hassan, not Naqvi. Who else will read answer 6? Who wants to read answer 6?
Sir, the Saraya Muhammad sir.
Yes, yes.
What is the mood of the alien? Answer 6. The alien felt very happy, thinking that the fear he would cause if everyone knows he was in classroom.
Great.
Yes, sir. Rasan Kapasi work is done.
Great.
So safe also.
Okay.
Mangori work is done.
Great.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in football, no, yesterday, Shaban Ali
Hmm.
ID, no, that one student joined with Shaban Ali ID.
Hmm.
Just tell me that what you write in that in board poem 11, that hard words,
Hmm.
meanings, rhyming word you send me. I tell that you joined in online lecture. You tell that I not have net, so I tell that I you when I send you the that PDF,
Hmm.
so how you open it? So sir, he tell that uh, okay. Sir, only PDF. Oh, PDF download on net is only. Um,
Oh, oh. Okay. So he says that I don't have enough net that I can join the
oh,
lectures and complete all the lectures, but only have a little bit of the net with the help of which I can download PDF.
yes.
Okay, I got it.
So sir,
So
I
you can
send
help
you.
him out. Yeah, yeah, you
I
can help
send
him
it.
out. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Ultimately, our goal is that they should complete their book and understand the concept. Now, if they are not having that, they don't want to understand the concept, we cannot do anything. It is like we can make the food for them, we can serve them, but to eat the food is their duty, no?
Yes. So sir, I send it. No.
Yes, you send it, no issues. Okay, students, I hope that you have finished writing this. Shall I leave the group now? Have a nice day. Goodbye,
Bye, sir.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.